All right, going into the front, this painted concrete needs to be power washed, cleaned up, acid etched or something, give it a nice, some kind of color or design. Probably won't do anything to this, just clean it and maybe seal it. They did some pretty nice concrete pours. It gives a nice walkway when you come up to the house. And the former owner was pretty handy. He built all these corbels and posts for this covered porch. So this would be a nice area to put a little seating area right here. Maybe a lockbox or something for putting package deliveries here. This is a nice part of town, but you never can be too safe with deliveries and things like that. I'm coming inside here. It's got big 10-foot ceilings. It's kind of a uniquely shaped room. Octagon over here. And I've already got some furniture that I've been finding at consignment stores and thrift stores and places. This is going to come out, and we've got a surprise for that. I'll try to keep that off camera for another video, what we're gonna do with that section. Found this chair at Goodwill, found this at Goodwill, found this at Charity Wholesale, thrift store. It's a place there's one in Citrus Heights, over where the old Kmart used to be. It's an Ashley Furniture reclining home theater sofa. And the idea is to put a big TV right up there. This dresser is gonna move into another room. And got a dining room in here. Again, the big 10-foot ceilings. This bar at the kitchen is kind of nice, but it's also blocking off the flow of the room. So this may get nixed. And right now I don't have any lights on. This is just the ambient light at the end of the evening. So the house has a good lighting from these big windows. Found a mirror at Goodwill, dining room table with 2 leaves at Goodwill. It was in really good shape. So we're only looking for good quality furniture that's nice and solid at good prices, and seeing what we can clean up and restore. Just little nicks and love marks, but shouldn't be that tough to get that looking nice. That's a patio table for outside, out the French doors. A lot of entertaining areas in this property. These old cabinets, probably gonna paint them, maybe put some updated hinges on them. They're all pretty good condition, just need a little cleanup. Avocado colored sink here that was popular back in the 60s when this was probably remodeled. And we need a microwave, need a vent. This doesn't vent up properly through the roof. It only goes up into the attic. So that's a issue. So we need to vent this up and out or straight through the roof. In the kitchen here too, is a nice little desk area where you can put a laptop or something, except there is no power here. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to run some power to that. It has old knob and tube wiring in the house, but that has all been updated to Romex. So we're gonna pull out the remains of that. Coming into here, the bedrooms are not tremendously large, but here is a closet. I'd call this the kind of the master bedroom. They're about 12 by 12. It's got old carpet and a little bathroom and a shower that has seen better days, but it's all functional and livable right now. There's a vanity like a Fresca that I sell on my website, Bath Vanity Experts. Windows back here. Just need some painting on the walls. Bent curtain rod there. Kind of old dated ceiling fan. The doors are actually nice. They're not just the hollow core ones. It's just a natural wood color that could be painted. Going back here is a laundry room. Okay appliances. I don't know how long they'll last, but we'll find out. This goes out to the patio that we showed you on the first video, and to the garage over there. Lock that up. Got a little bedroom in here that could be an office and maybe a little gym, or just a kid's bedroom. Maybe you could do bunk beds here, or just like a twin bed right here. So old house, not tremendously large bedrooms, but closet over there. This, I just Picked this up for about 40 bucks at Goodwill too. So just a nice little desk that could be a work area. Coming back forward through here. Again, I do not have one light turned on. This is everything you're seeing is just natural light and the exposure of the camera. Let me open up these windows, get a little more light in here. It's got the shutters that I'm already gonna do for the rest of the house. So this room is already done. I don't know if I love the blue color of the walls, but it's done pretty well and it works. I think it'll look nice too with this Lifeproof flooring that we got from Charity Shops Wholesale as well. That place I mentioned in Citrus Heights. And this is the color so I think that works well. And this is a very thick, I don't know if you call it acoustic layer on the bottom or padding, but it is very thick stuff and they had it for a very good price. It's a Home Depot product that somebody had turned in, donated, or they got from Home Depot a bunch of cases of it. So the nice thing too is if I need more of it, I know the color code that I can get, and they're randomized planks. So none of the bedrooms in here had their closet doors on them, but nice little niche here. So this is almost the master bedroom because it's got quite a bit more space. And it's got that little niche over there. Could put a nice TV on this wall here. Bed there with some end tables on it. And going up here is the crawl space up to the attic and the other bathroom. Decent size. Picked up this little trash barrel. It's ceramic actually. A little trash can, I should say, at for like $7 or $8 at Goodwill. The vanity has granite top, looks like Baltic brown granite, something like that, or maybe in dark tan brown tiles, and it needs a little trim, so that'll be a good little DIY project for us that we can do. But overall, the finish in here is pretty nice. It's got the oil rub bronze fixtures, no shower curtain or rod. You need to do that. This has a lot of storage in here, but it is very dated 60s, 70s cabinetry, maybe even 50s. That, another DIY project. Got frosted privacy glass windows there. Decent fixtures up there. Again, good solid wood doors. This fluorescent lighting, this whole soffit will probably go. All this green vibe of the wallpaper will come out. But again, the cabinet doors, these are nice, good quality. Thinking of maybe sanding them, painting them white or something, and put soft close mechanisms on them. Decent stainless steel refrigerator. I think it's a little deep from the room, but if this comes out, then this here will not be so obtrusive in the room. And also this island is movable. So pretty good layout overall for a 1910 house. This is the original section, and the part back there is an add-on that was done at a later date, but nice big open high ceilings. All right. And that wraps up the inside tour.